The following message is transmitted at the request of the Texas Police Department. At 2:30 p.m., the creature have spotted Texas. The name is unknown at this time, but he wearing two black eyes, a circle face, a beam body, and arm and legs. His last wearing a pink arm and legs and body, and white face, and he attacked people and robbed banks. All residents in the state in Texas shouts take shelter in place. To do it, lock your door and windows, turn off light, and hide somewhere. If there no shelter in place, seek place in basement. Do not go outside if any reason. If you see this creature, run away and call 911. Stay tuned to the station for the information of the dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Texas Police Department. At 4:30 p.m., the creature spotted 2:30 p.m., and the creature name have been known. The creature name is Fall Guys. If you have Fall Guys on PS4 or Steam and you play it, he will know where it is. If you don't play it, do the following. Hide Fall Guys and turn off your PS4 or computer, and hide. All residents in the state in Texas should stay in shelter. If Fall Guys break into your home, do not panic. Panicking will make it worse. Use your gun or knife and kill it. If you see this creature, do the following. Run away fast you can, and call 911. Stay tuned to the station for the information of the dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Texas Police Department. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At 6:30 p.m., the creature spun a giant apple, same size as moon, hit the West Sea, and mega tsunami will form. All residents in the state and West U.S. issued evacuation to the east. If you not evacuation, you put in life in danger. If you evacuation, bring food, water, medical supplies, a flashlight, and battery-powered radio to keep braking. If there no evacuation, call the following at 555-450-580 and 231. Repeated 555-450-580 and 231. Stay tuned to the station for the information of the dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Texas Police Department. All clear. Repeat, all clear. The creature have died because tsunami kill him, and all the water on land in U.S. have gone. It now safe to leave your shelter. However, they're broken in West us, and sun is blocked for half year. Your government thank for help stop this creature. All TV now resume.